Here's a meta ad checklist for you so you can make killer meta campaigns. Number 1. Setup tracking. Install Metapixel on your site to track relevant events and conversion. Set up the campaign objective. This will either be a purchase objective or lead objective or app installs. Number 3. Target audience. Define your target audience's demographic, interest, behavior. You will need to test different interests to find where your conversions are coming from. Number 4. Have a creative strategy. Have images and videos to test. They should demonstrate the benefit and transformational qualities of your offer, product, or services. The creative should be visually appealing and attention grabbing. Number 5. Persuasive ad copy. Write persuasive ad copy that communicate the benefit, unique selling points, and any special offer or discount. We should test different ad copies. Number 6. Call to action. Include clear and compelling call to action in your ads. Number 7. Landing page optimization. Ensure that the landing page you're driving traffic to is optimized for conversion and mobile responsive. Number 8. App targeting and placement. Usually go with automatic placement. Number 9. Budget. Set up a budget you are comfortable with. We suggest spending at least $100 or more for the next 90 days. Number 10. Ad monitoring optimization. Continuously monitor, analyze, and optimize your ads, assets, and campaign for best performance. Number 11. Use retargeting campaign. Leverage Meta's retargeting capabilities to reach users who have previously engaged with your brand. Set up custom audiences based on website visitors, email subscribers, and people that engage with your Facebook page or Instagram account. Number 12. Ongoing optimization and iteration. Regularly review your ads performance, test new strategies, and iterate your campaign based on the data. Meta needs time and continuous optimization to get best result. Remember, each ad campaign is unique, so adapt this checklist to your specific needs and goals. Good luck with your meta campaigns. Follow to learn more.